Good morning. Normally I do the horses outside and then I go to clean the stalls, and often Bauke helps me. But now I go to Stal G because a foal is born there. Yeah, and it's family of Tyroin. Nee, no family. Reisi. It's family of Yvonne. Sally. And Sally is a grandma now because Liana has her foal. So I'm very happy with that. Congratulations. And Reintje has new family members. Just like Boukje. Yeah. And Blomke has new family members because of Sally. Yeah. And this is just Bella. Hey Bella. So I go to StalG to what's the new foal. And this is Reina. Hey. And yesterday there was a surprise in her stall. Hey. It's a filly called Fokelyn, named after Bos Rijn's daughter. Hello? Hey! Hi. So that means that Reintje is a grandma now. And Boukje, Yvonne and Tyroin are aunt and uncle. Hey, braaf Reina. Goed zo. Hey. And the dad of Fokelyn is Martinus. And hey, Reintje and Sally also are in foal of Martinus. Hey. So I think that's very, very special. This is Gaia. Hey. And maybe I didn't tell yet, but she is staying at this moment. She's not sold. Yay. So she's also in foal, and in a couple of weeks or days she will get her foal. And here we have Sanne and Foppe. Hey. And Foppe is a Hielke, just like Blomke. En Brecht. Hey. Sanne, hello, don't be angry. Het hoeft net. Hey. Yes, that are mares. There is Mathilde with her foal, Dominicus. And Dominicus is a Waander, just like Bella. Fokelyn. Dominicus. Hey. No. Mathilde. Mathilde en Dominicus. Hey. Oh. Kom eens. Goh, wat ben je dan wel lied. Ja. Ja. Nee, Mathilde. Reina. Oh, en dat is ik, Reina. Hey. Oh. Dit is een Martinus. En Sire Fokelyn. Hier, Reina. En Sanne. En Foppe. Hey. Hallo.